He said the first 1 million doses of China's Sinovac vaccine will arrive on Friday after the Hong Kong government confirmed. Besides, Hong Kong's mass vaccination drive against COVID-19 will launch next week with online bookings opening from Tuesday and frontline workers as well as those in vulnerable groups getting priority in the queue. The first jabs are scheduled to be given from next Friday under the mass program, which will last for up to 6 months and be implemented in phases. Secretary for the Civil Service Patrick Nip said in the press conference on Thursday, jabs will be administered at 4 types of places: 29 community vaccination centers across the city's 18 districts, more than 1,500 private clinics, 18 general outpatient clinics under the hospital authority, and elderly and disabled care facilities. About 2.4 million Hong Kongers in 5 groups will be given priority for the vaccines, including health workers and others fighting the pandemic, those 60 years old or above. Meanwhile, Chief Executive Carrie Lam announced on Thursday that she will be taking the COVID-19 vaccine made by mainland company Sinovac. In a Facebook post, Lam said the vaccination program to be rolled out next week is a milestone in the city's anti-epidemic efforts. Mama.
Absolutely. And also Hong Kong's Chinese New Year celebrations were subdued this year due to coronavirus restrictions. Has this helped improve the pandemic situation there? And what are the city's control measures now?
Well, Hong Kong has already resumed lots of working places. Yeah, and Hong Kong has eased toughing social distancing rules from Thursday for the first time since the onslaught of the fourth wave of the COVID-19 3 months ago. Health authorities have announced the reopening of all sports venues, fitness centers, beauty and massage parlors, public performances venues such as concert halls, theme parks, exhibition centers, and cinemas. Restaurants also received the green light to resume dining services until 10 p.m. and accommodate up to 4 people per table. But public gatherings will still be kept at 2 people. On Thursday, Hong Kong recorded 8 new coronavirus cases, a drop from 16 the previous day. The fresh infections were all local, of which 3 were untraceable.